Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 9 chapter 4 linear equations in two variables, exercise 4.2 question 2. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. So there are 3 equations are given to us. For each equation we have to find out 4 solutions. 4 solutions we have to find out. Now how to find the solutions? Already in question 1 we have done how we find the solution. For any one variable we have to give the value and then find out the value of the other variable. Any one you can give either for x or for y. So let's begin. So in the place of, I'll take it x as a 0. Okay. So in the place of x I'll write down 0. Then y equal to 7. 2 into 0 will give 0. Y equal to 7. So y value I get 7. So that means my solution is what? First solution, that is x value was 0, y value is 7. So this is one solution. We have to find out 4 solutions. Likewise we have to do it. So now I'll give maybe here 1. X value I'll give it as 1. So then 2, x value I am giving 1. I'll write it here, x as 1. Then plus y equal to 7. So 2 ones are 2, y equal to 7. Y, this 2 goes to the other side. So this is in plus. When it goes here, it will become minus. So y equal to, from 7 you minus 2 will get 5. So my second solution is x I have taken as 1. So 1 and y value I got 5. This is my second solution. So third, let me take y as x as a 2. So then in the place of x I will write 2 plus y equal to 7. So 2 2's are 4, y equal to 7. So y 7. This plus 4 goes to the other side, becomes minus. So y equal to 7 minus 4 will give me 3. So that means my third solution is x value I have taken 2 and y value I got 3. This is my third solution. Fourth, so now let us keep x as it is. Okay, so I'll keep this 2x as it is plus y I'll give the value for y as 0. So then what I'll get? 2x equal to 7, then x equal to, this is in multiplication, so when it comes here it will go to division. So I'll get my x value. So my fourth solution will be x value is 7 upon 2 and then y value I had put 0. So this is my fourth solution. You can put any number. This is not a final fixed answer. You can give any number. In the place of y you can give 1 also. So if you give 1, then the answer will be totally different. Okay, so any solution you can find out any, because each equation has an infinite solution. In question 1 we saw every linear equation in two variable has got infinite solution. So this is not the final. You can give here instead of x I give 0, you can give y value and find out the x value. So let's do now the second equation. For the second equation, so let me take x as a 0. So then I will have pi in the place of x 0 plus y equal to 9. So pi into 0 will become 0 plus y, because with 0 anything you multiply it will become 0. So then y value I am getting 9. So then my solution will be x was 0 and y value is 9. So 0, 9. So now here, now I'll take x as a 1. So then pi, in the place of x I am writing 1. Then y equal to 9. So pi into 1 will give pi plus y equal to 9. So then I'll write down y here as it is and then 9 is here. Now pi is here in plus. When it goes here it will become minus. So now more than this we can't simplify. So the solution will be x value I have given y, and then y value I got 9 minus pi. So this is another solution. So now I can give y. Let me write now. So I'll write down this pi x as it is, plus y value I am giving 0 equal to 9. So then I'll get pi x equal to 9. Then x value I'll get, here it is multiplication, when it comes here it will become division. So then my third solution will be y I have taken 0, then first you have to write always x value. Okay, so x is 9 upon pi, then comma, then y value is 0. So this is my third solution. So now we can take now x we took 1, now x you can take 2 also. So pi in the place of x I am writing 2 plus y equal to 9. So it will give us 2 pi plus y equal to 9. Then y equal to 9, and this 2 pi when it comes this side it will become minus. So minus 2 pi. So then my solution, x value I have taken 2, y value I got 9 minus 2 pi. So this is the answer for the second equation. You can give any value, you can give for y value you can give, or you can give the value for x. Anything is okay. But when you write the solution, first you have to write the value of x, then the value of y. So now let's see the third equation. Now third, so let me take x as a x, let me keep y value I'll give. So then my x as it is, y value I am giving 0. So then x what I will get, 4 into 0 will become 0. So my first solution will be what? X value I got 0, and then so x value I got 0, y also I have given, value for y I have given 0. So 0 comma 0 will be the one solution, or else you can also put it as a 1 here. If you put 1, y value if you give 1, then 4 into 1 will give us 4. So that means x value will be 4 and y value will be 1. Anyone you can give, provided you give 4 solutions for this equation. The first one also is correct only. Okay. So now let me give y value as 2. So then I'll get x value as 4 2s are 8. Then my solution will be x value is 8, y value I gave 2. So now here again x equal to 4, y value I am giving 3. So then I will get x equal to 12. So then my solution will be x value is 12, y value I gave 3. So same way you can do it. I'll give now y value 4. So I'll get 16. So then x value is 16, y I have gave 4. So these are the 4 solutions for the third equation. So this can be done in your own way. You can give any value for any one variable and get the value of another variable. And when you write the solution, you have to write in this form. First x value, then y value you have to write down. That's it. Thank you. God.